Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So, let's start. Drop-down list is very important to know for official works. Most of us use static drop-down list by selecting the cell or cells, then click on Data tab and from there click on Data Validation from Data Tools group. After that, we select List and we need to give the source. In this case, the source is from A2 to A5. Then click on OK. So see, our static drop-down is ready. If we add a new product like book in our product list, but you can see that the new product is not added in drop-down list. So in this case, if we want to use dynamic drop-down list, then we can easily add as many as products we want. For that, we need to convert the product list into table. For converting it, select the cells, click on Format as Table from Home tab and select any table style. Make sure My Table Has Headers checkbox is checked. Then click on OK. Now we need to see the name of the table. For that, we need to click on any cell of the table and then we can see that a Design tab has appeared. We need to click on it. Then from Properties group, check the table name. Now we can create dynamic drop-down list. For that, select the cell or cells, then click on Data Validation from Data tab. Then choose List and in Source, write equals to indirect, first bracket open, double inverted comma, start. Then we need to write the table's name. That is in this case table 4, then third bracket open. Here we need to write the table headers name. In this case it is product list. Third bracket close, double inverted comma close, and then first bracket close. Then click on OK. So the dynamic drop down list is prepared. Now we can choose any product from the list. And if we add any product like book, pen, it will automatically appear in the drop-down list. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can write us in the comment section below or you can even mail us at our mail ID. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.